What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a cartoon illustration of Kylian Mbappe. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, I'm going to bring that circle down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top of that circle, bring that down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, bring that circle coming in and then back out. And we'll line that up on the right side. And it'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now let's move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start with the bottom edge, starting over on the left side, curve the nose coming down and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting back over on the left, we're going to curve the mouth going up and then down. Let's draw in the upper lip. In the center, we'll step up, curve the lip going up and down toward the left. Go back to the center, go up and down towards the right, and it'll draw on the bottom lip from the corners, come down and up. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start on top of the left eye, curve this up and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going up and down. Let's curl up the inside of the brow, coming in and then up on both sides. And then from the outside of the eyebrow, draw a straight angle line going up and in, and curve this in and then down towards the inside of the brow. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to go back and add a fold across the top of the eyelid. Starting on top left eye, we're going to go out and then bend that down. And now that we complete drawing in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curve the head coming down, just bring that in underneath the mouth, go across and then back up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. And bump this out, go up, and bend that in towards the middle. And go across, come down, and then in on the right. Let's add the hairline, starting over on the left. Start with a curve going up, and then back down. From the side, bend this out and then down. Now add one more curve going out and down towards the side of the head. Let's add the ears on the side. Starting over on the left, bend the ear going up, come down and then in towards the side. And we'll add some folds inside the ear. Starting on the top left, bend this up and out. Now go back to the inside and draw a hook going out and in. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left, curve this out and down towards the hip, move over towards the right, come down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, move down and then up. Let's add the collar along the top, start with a point in the middle, and go up towards the left and right side. Let's add that crest in the center, starting with a straight line going across the middle. And then from the sides, we're going to curve this down and then in. Now we're going to add the number 10. Let's start over on the left. Start with a straight line coming all the way down. From the top, angle out, come down and out. Now I want to trace the outside. So come down, go up and in, come all the way down towards the bottom, and it will close this off. Let's move over and draw the 0. I'm just going to line up the top, come all the way down with an oval, and then back up, and we'll trace that along the inside. Now we're also going to add that Nike swoosh along the top left. Start along the top, come down, and then angle that in, go back to the left, come down towards the bottom, and then up. Let's go back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left side, curve the foot coming down and then up. Now on the left side, we're going to draw the top of the foot, going up. We'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and curve that back up towards the inside. Let's move back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, bend the leg going out and down on top of the foot. Let's add a sole along the bottom. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the shorts. Starting on the left, curve this down and in, and we'll line that up on the right. Let's leave a gap and draw that same curve for the top edge of the socks. Now add that same swoosh on the bottom right. Coming down and then angle this up and draw in the bottom. Now on top of the feet, we're going to add the tongue of the shoe. Starting from the outside, curve this up and then down. Let's add the laces along the top, curve this out and then down, go straight out. Let's add 2 lines along the inside of the laces. And now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. Start the arm right here, curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. We'll line it up on the right. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom curve of the thumb. We're going to come down, just bend that up around that bracket. Step down, come down, and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's go to the top of the arm on the inside and add the sleeve. We're going to curve this up and then out. Let's add a simple patch on the left side. Step up, curve this in, go up, and we'll just bend that back out. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Kylian Mbappe. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.